Hi boys and girls, it's Mrs. Giordano. We're going to do a little review today of the Diamante poem. I know last week you learned about it and we're going to write another poem today about it. So I wanted to go over a few things with you to help you if you were having trouble last week and you're just going to pick a different topic today. Okay, so let's get started. What is a Diamante? It is a 7-lined poem. And at the beginning and at the end are the shortest points, okay? It is also shaped like a diamond, okay? I think you'll remember that from last week. And each line uses a specific word, okay? And it doesn't have to rhyme. The format. So in the first line, that's the beginning topic. That's where you're going to pick a noun of what you want to write about, okay? Your second line is going to be 2 adjectives about that first topic. Your third line is going to be 3 verbs ending in ing about that first topic. And this is where it kind of gets a little tricky. Your fourth line has 4 nouns, okay? And it has short phrases linking 2 topics together. Your fifth line has 3 ing words about the second topic. And your sixth line has 2 adjectives about that second topic. And then your seventh line has an ending topic, okay, which is usually a noun. So here is an example. And these are all 3 rules that you need to have when you are creating a Diamante poem, okay? So you have a noun, okay? And I've sectioned this off into blue and red, kind of like when you saw last week how that teacher did that as well. So you have a noun at the top, you have 2 adjectives that are going to connect back to this noun, and then you have 3 verbs, okay, that are going with that, describing that first line, and then 2 nouns that are describing that connect back up to line 1, okay? Then you are going to have another noun down at the bottom, okay? 2 adjectives, right, that are going to go with that, that noun, 3 verbs ending in ing, and then 2 nouns. So you can see that it's split, red and then in blue. So here's an example of one that I made. And I did the different colors so that you could see which goes with what topic on at the top and at the bottom of that diamond. So I picked rain, okay? And those 2 adjectives that I picked are wet and cold. I put down my verbs that they're showering, falling, and cooling. And then my 4 nouns that I picked, but remember, you're only picking 2 to go with that top one, is drops and water, okay? For my bottom, I picked sunshine, okay? If I think about the sun, it's hot and it's bright, right? If I think of 3 verbs that go with sunshine, maybe you're going to be tanning in the summertime. It's warming, it's soothing, right? And also you might think about 2 nouns that are going to go with sunshine, right? Sun and ray. So now what I want you to do is you're going to pick a different topic from last week, and I want you to do the same work in your writer's notebook to write out a rough draft first, okay? Then you're going to go into Seesaw, and you can go ahead and type that into the document. It'll be right there for you, okay? Or if you would like to, you can just write a final in your notebook and upload it into Seesaw. But there will be a poem document that you can type it into, okay? We can't wait to see what you do today. All right, have a good day.